Now, hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 8th class, comparing quantities using proportion. In that 5.3 exercise, 3 sums I have already done. Now I am doing 4th sum. Find the amount and compound interest. Find the amount and compound interest. So the problem goes on like this. Let me read the problem. Find the amount and compound interest for rupees 6,500 for 2 years compounded annually. The rate of interest being 5% per annum during first year and 6% per annum during second year. So the percentage has changed, children. It's not, the problem is not like earlier one where rate is same. Here every year the rate is differing. That means we cannot use directly the formula of compound interest, but by using the simple interest only, we are going to find out what is amount for compound interest. How it has to be done, let us see. So let us see the first year. For first year, principal is rupees 6,500 and rate, we pay simple interest means we used to write capital R, no? Rate, initially the rate is 5% and time we will be taking it as 1 year. So interest I is equal to PTR by 100, 6,500 into 1 into 5 by 100. So 2 zeros will get cancelled. So how much will be getting? 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 33, 32, 32. So I is equal to rupees 325. I is equal to rupees 325. So what is amount, children? Amount is P plus I. That is equal to P is 6,500 plus 325. So this becomes rupees 6,825. This much amount has occurred for the first year. Now let us go to the second year. In the second year, whatever is the amount that we have got in the first year becomes the principal, 6,825 rupees. That is how we can find out compound interest for the problem, children. So whatever is the amount at the end of the first year, that becomes the principal for second year. Time is equal to 1 year and rate is given as 6%. So I is equal to PTR by 100, that is 6,825 into 1 into 6 by 100. So we cannot cancel any zeros, so go with the 5. 5 2s are 0, 5 1s are 5, 1 is left behind, 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 4s are 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15. 273. So how much are you going to get here, children? Let us see. This is 273 into 6. Even we can cancel this also. Let me cancel. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 273 into 3 by 2 I can say. So this is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8 by 2. This means 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 nines are 18.5. 409.5. So what is interest? Therefore, interest is equal to rupees 409 50 paisa. 409 rupees 50 paisa. So what is amount? Amount is P plus I. So what is P, children? 6825 plus 409.50. 6825 409.50. So 0, 5, this is 14, 3, 12, 7. So this is 7234.50. So amount is equal to rupees 7234 rupees 50 paisa is amount. Now the next one is compound interest they are asking. Compound interest is nothing but amount minus P, 7234.50 minus principal is original principal you have to take, that is 6500. So 7234.50 minus 6500.00. So 0, 5, 4 here, 3 here, 7. 734.50 rupees. This is one answer. So this is amount is one answer and compound interest, that is another answer, children. This is fourth problem. Please note it down. Next problem, children. Fifth problem. Pratibha borrows rupees 47,000. It goes on like this. Let me read the sum. Pratibha borrows 47,000 from a finance company to buy her first car. The rate of simple interest is 17% and she borrows money over 5 years period. Find first a bit how much amount Pratibha should repay to the finance company at the end of 5 years. What is the amount she has to pay after 5 years? And second bit, her equal monthly repayments, how much she has to pay monthly. So here it is on simple interest. So principal is given as rupees 47,000 and rate is 17% and the time is 5 years. So first find out interest. Simple interest. I is equal to PTR by 100. That is 47000 into time 5 into rate 17 by 100. Two zeros will get cancelled. So you are getting 470 into 17, 5s are 85. So how much are you going to get, children? 470 into 85. So here 0, 5, 4, 7, 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5, 7 are 35, 23, 23, 0, 8, 7 are 56, 32, 37. So how much are you getting? 0, 5, 9, 9, 3. So you are getting 3, 9, 950 is interest. Now we want to find out what is the amount. A is equal to P plus I. So what is P? 47,000 plus I is 39950. So let us see. 47, 1, 2, 3 zeros, 39950. Add it. Plus 0, 5, 9, 16 and 8. 86,950 rupees. So what is the amount she has to pay? Rupees 86,950 after 5 years. She has taken 47,000, but after 5 years she is paying almost double, that is 86,950. Now the question is, what is her monthly repayments? Monthly repayments. So this is total 86,950 should be given 5 years and each year 12 months. So this many months, 5 into 12. 1 year 12 months, 5 year 5 into 12, this many months, because we are dividing it per month. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 threes are 15, 5 nines are 45, 0. Now 12. 2 6 are 2 6 are 2 6 are 2 nines are 2 fives are 6 6 9 5. So how much are you getting, children? This is nothing but 6 ones are 6, and then this is 2 6 are 2, sorry, 2 8 are 16, children, here. 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 2 5 are 10. So when you are dividing by 6, we will be saying 6 1s are 6, 2. 6 4s are 24, 2. 6 4s are 24, then 5. 5 means 6 9s are 54, 1, 6 1s are 6. 1 4 4, when you cancel it, when you divide it, you are getting, this is nothing but rupees 1450 approximately. This is monthly interest, the monthly repayment she has to pay. 1450 she has to pay every month to complete her payment for 5 years, children. This is the sum. Please note it down. So I think you might have understood, anything which you are taking a lump sum for interest, almost double you will be paying after whatever is the time that you have taken. So always it is better not to take any loan. Now we are going to talk about sixth problem. The population of Hyderabad. The population of Hyderabad was 680900 68,000 68 lakh 9,000 in 2011. Let us see, it goes on like this. The population of Hyderabad was 68 lakhs 9,000 in 2011. If it increases at the rate of 4.7% per annum, what will be the population at the end of the year 2015? So here population should be taken as principal, children. 6809,000. And what is the rate? With what rate it is increasing? It is increasing with the rate of 4.7. So what is n? Years. It is observed from 2011 to 2015. That means 2015 minus 2011. That means 4 years. It is going to be seen for 4 years. So it is like A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N. This formula we need to use. 6809000 into 1 plus 4.7 by 100 whole to the power of 4. So it's a very, very big calculation, children. So this is 6809000 into, this is 100. So LCM 100 plus 4.7 whole to the power of 4. That is 6809000 into 104.7 by 100 whole to the power of 4. That is 6809000 into 104.7 by 100 into 104.7 by 100 into 104.7 by 100 into 104.7 by 100. So children, even though if you cancel these three zeros, you have a very, very lengthy calculation. This calculation you can do coolly. Answer I am writing 8182199. This value you will be getting, children. Please do the calculation. This board is not sufficient for me to do this calculation. So you have to multiply 4 times this and multiply by this. This can even be, you can take 4 zeros, 4, 5 zeros are there. So here 5 more zeros point you can take and you can continue. But this is 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. One more zero if you keep 5 point. So 0.06809 into this. So please do the calculation by yourself. This will be the answer that you are going to get for this problem, children. Please note it down. It's a very lengthy calculation. That's why I'm not doing it here due to lack of space for me. Now, next problem, children. That is seventh one. Find compound interest paid. Find compound interest paid. It goes on like this. So let me read the problem. Find compound interest paid when a sum of 10,000 is invested for 1 year 3 months at 8.5% per annum compounded annually. So it's a compound interest, but even then you have 1 year 3 months, so you have to separate it and use the simple interest formula only. So here principal is rupees 10,000 and what is our rate is given as 8.1 by 2%, that is 16.1 17 by 2%, and the time 1 year 3 months means first we will take 1 year. So I is equal to PTR by 100, 10,000 into 1 into 17 by 2 divided by 100, that is 10,000 into 1 into 17 by 2 into 1 by 100. So 0 0 will get cancelled. 2 5s are 0. So 17 zeros are 17 5s are 85. So 850. I is equal to rupees 850. So now you have to go for the amount. So what is the amount, children? P plus I, that is 10,000 plus 850. 10,850 rupees is the amount. Now this 10,850, this amount becomes principal for the next how much 3 months. For 3 months, we are going to talk about this. What we have done for 1 year. This calculation is for 1 year. This is a 3 months calculation. For this, P will be 10,850. Whatever amount you have got, that becomes a principal because we are talking about compound interest. So the amount of the first year becomes the principal of the second year, and rate is the same, that is 17 by 2%, and T is 3 months. 3 months, that means you have to convert it into years. 3 by 12 years, that is, see, one year means 12 months. 3 months means how many years? 3 by 12 means you are getting T as 1 by 4. The T value as 1 by 4 you have got. So I is equal to P T R by 100, that is 10850 into T is 17 by 2 into 1 by 4 divided by 100. So this can be written as 10850 into 17 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 100. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 5 twos are 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So 17 sevens are 119. So 9 here, 11 you are getting. 17 ones are 17, that means 28. 8 here, 2 here. 17 twos are 34, 36. So 3689 by 2 fours are 8, 8 twos are 16. So let us see that calculation also. 3689 divided by 16. So I'll write answer here. 16 twos are 32. So you are getting 4 and 8. 16 threes are 48. You are getting 9. So keep a 0 end point so that another 0. 16 fives are 80. It goes on like this, children, but we will be taking it as 230.50 as interest. Now the question is, you need to find out the amount. How will you find out amount? Because the problem is dealing with when you find the compound interest when the sum is 10,800. So only compound interest he has asked. You have got it as 230.50. So this 230.50, what you need to find? Compound interest means you have got earlier interest 850, no? So to this 850, you have to add this interest, total interest. So I is equal to compound interest that you are going to do is, earlier one is how much, children? 850 plus 230.50. So how much they are getting? 850, 230.50. So 0508 and then 8 to 10 rupees 1080.50 should be the answer for this problem, children. So please see this, children. What is that they are asking? Compound interest they are asking. So 1 year, 3 months they said. So first for 1 year, what is the interest? We have written. This is 850, we have got it. Now 3 months are there. So for 3 months, if you want a principal, what is the amount we have to find out? Amount is P plus I. When I found out amount is 10,850, that becomes principal. Rate is same. Time is 3 months means 1 by 4 years. So I is equal to PTR by 100. On calculation, I have got 230.50. This is interest for 3 months and this is interest for 1 year. So total interest, how much are you getting? 1 year interest plus 3 months interest. 1850 is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. With this, I'm concluding my part. In the next class, I'll be dealing with the next part.